Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win every race in Asphalt 9 Legends. Learn to use Nitro effectively to maintain speed and boost past opponents. Use Perfect Nitro by double tap into Nitro button for longer and more powerful boost. Drift around corners to fill your intro bar and maintain speed through turns. Memorize track layouts to anticipate curves, shortcuts, and nitro ramps. Experiment with touch drive, but switch to manual drive for more control and precision. Invest in upgrading vehicle stats to match race requirements. Use cars suited for specific tracks or events based on their stats and handling. Activate shockwaves strategically to push opponents back and clear your path. Minimize collision as they slow you down and disrupt your momentum. Complete race objectives like Nitro Boost, drifts, and perfect runs for extra points and rewards. Perform barrel rolls on ramps for extra nitro and to evade obstacles. Take advantage of shortcuts to gain an edge over opponents and save time. Avoid going off track or hitting barriers that can slow you down significantly. Some versions offer rewards for watching ads, such as free upgrades or token. Participate in daily events and challenges for rewards and to improve your skills. Join or create clubs to access club rewards and bonuses that can help in races. Learn multiplayer tactics like drafting, following closely behind opponents for speed boost, and blocking. Upgrade Nitro efficiently to maximize the duration and effectiveness of your Nitro boost. Activate boosters for races where they provide the most benefit. Progress through career mode to unlock and earn better cars and rewards. Time Nitro boost to maintain speed through critical sections of the track. Adjust control settings to suit your playstyle for better handling and responsiveness. Collect car blueprint for races and events to unlock and upgrade your new vehicles. And that's how to win every race in Asphalt 9 Legends. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.